I am at the Wouldn't You Tulip Festival, and Garden Time was here about 3 weeks ago. And Barb, we were here, but there was maybe one row of tulips blooming.
Well, maybe two.
Oh, maybe two,
There was a little bit of color, but not, nothing like we have out here now.
Oh my gosh! And it hasn't been the best weather, and today is a Monday, so we're kind of cheating. It's not Saturday, and I have heard. Birdie told me that's going to be a little bit nicer on Saturday.
Oh, I hope so. We're ready. We're so ready for some nice weather. And when the color comes out, we get the heat like that, it warms up, they just pop. You think they're spectacular today. You see them when the sun comes out, they're beautiful.
And it's Easter weekend, so are some special things going on.
Lots of activities. We have an Easter egg hunt, and we have a sunrise service on Sunday. But just come out, there's kids activities, there's wine tasting, we have all sorts of activities going on, things going on.
Nice.
But really the highlight is the field.
Oh my gosh, it is. And really there's photo ops, so don't forget your camera and all the kids and all the family, because that's the most fun part too.
Well, it really is, and you can get in at sunrise too and take sunrise pictures.
Oh.
And that's there's nothing like being out here in the early morning, listening to the birds and catching that sunrise.
Oh.
And that you can get in with a season pass.
Oh, that is nice, yeah. And then there's some other events, like you can have a dinner in the garden?
Yeah, we're calling it Petals and Plates, and that's the 29th, 27th. 27th, we're having that out here, and we set the table right in the field. It'd be served, plated dinner. It's just, it's beautiful out here.
And I know the best part is you've extended the time of the festival.
We have. We're going to be open through May 5th. We've had such a cool month. We'll be open through May 5th, and the color will be great. We have varieties out there that haven't even opened yet.
It's not too late to come out here, see all the beauty. And Barb, where can we find out the information? Because you have a report on the all kinds of information.
We have a field report on our website. It tells you the condition of the field, kind of what's going on. It'll show pictures from the previous day, as well as all the activities we have coming up. Follow us also on Instagram and Facebook. We have a daily report there too.
So you get up-to-date information. So please go to Garden Time and you can find out all that information and come on out. Thanks so much, Barb.
You're welcome. Thank you.